Mula Bandha is the compression of the abdomen. But Mula Bandha can be of two types. The one type you did before, where you pull the navel to the spine and tightened, that's not the type you'd use for postures. That type is best for pranayama, and you use it here. Watch. I'll exhale fully, hold the breath out, and now do Uddiyana Bandha of expansion, Mula Bandha of expression, of compression, and you see two lines of muscles coming up here. And those muscles you saw coming up here, I hope you saw them, that is an expression of Mula Bandha of compression. That Mula Bandha is one that will inhibit your diaphragm and add stress to your body if you try and breathe in. It prevents natural breathing. So a better Mula Bandha is one where the abdomen appears to draw inwards, but actually pushes outwards.